Okay.
I actually liked it. I found it to be kind of like Facebook for classrooms. You could post like pictures of students and their work. And it would notify the parents automatically. All the teachers I've talked to have only ever used it for like elementary school.
Yes.
What did you?
Yes. I think it's like Facebook or some other online tool. And the best part I like ClassDojo is that you can communicate with the parents. Sometimes other teachers told me that the hard part of being a teacher is communicating with parents. So it's kind of scared me. Maybe I'm afraid of calling parents. I don't know what they're doing when I'm calling them, but maybe ClassDojo can help me to just send a message through this platform, and it won't bother them, and they can respond to me anytime. I can communicate with them anytime, and we needed to do that face-to-face thing. Maybe it's better for me. I can rearrange. I can think about how to talk with them about their kids' misbehaviors logically, and can spend more time to do that. It's very good.
Yeah. For my ESL students, I have 120 students. So I just, and the parents, their English level isn't high enough. They don't know about school. So many times we don't communicate with the parents. We just deal with the student. So that's part of where I see, like, I just wouldn't use it very often because their parents are just not, they aren't as involved as, like, typical American parents. Who maybe always calling the school, always angry or whatever. They just, I don't know, it's just different. And then what was the other one you reviewed?
TeacherKit.
What did you think?
I think it's like ClassDojo. They are so similar. The most difference I noticed that the TeacherKit, their pictures are the pictures of students, but ClassDojo, they are the cute monsters. That is the first one. I noticed that some other functions I think is very similar. Maybe ClassDojo is for the little kids, and the TeacherKit for youngsters, for higher level students, but some functions are very similar. They can do the reports. They can allow you to communicate with parents and students. They are so similar. Maybe ClassDojo can do some sharing photos or videos or some announcements, but TeacherKit doesn't have a lot of functions as ClassDojo.
I may have to look at that. That's what I didn't like about ClassDojo. It was just very childlike.
Yeah.
Like if I showed that to my high schoolers, they would just laugh at me. But I looked at Super Duper Data Tracker, and basically it was just a pooling system. Like you would input students' grades on various topics, and it would track their progress.
Mm-hmm.
Use it to put them into different groups for projects. It would also email the student, or you could also have it email the parent. I couldn't really look at it as much as I wanted to because you have to pay for the app. But from what I could tell, it looked just like a basic. That way, at the end of the year, you could see like, okay, this is how much I've grown, this is how much I've learned. It seems pretty good. I just would like to not have to pay for it. But that'd be good.
Yeah, I noticed that ClassDojo you also have to pay, but just for the teachers is free, but for parents you have to pay for using that.
How much is it?
I don't know, because I'm teacher. I needed to pay, so I didn't know how much I need to pay.
If you
Mm.
No,
Hey,
that's all
Christine,
I have.
could you move a little bit? Yeah, that's good. Okay. Okay. And what are you using in your class now?
We use Remind app. This can text the students like deadlines and due dates. So I can go in and say like, hey, your paper's due this Friday, don't forget. Or hey, we don't have class Monday because of snow. I can do stuff like that, but because they're high school, we don't really do like we try and get them to take responsibility. So we don't necessarily like email the parents like I know for elementary school they do like a lot of newsletters like okay, this is what we're doing this week. These are the assignments we're going to do. We don't really do that. It's pretty much on the student. So as much as we can give them, like I might email them as well if they have student emails because we all have laptops. But we don't really. I had never heard of any of these apps or programs before, so I don't know any teachers at my school that use any of these. I'm not saying they aren't bad. They're just new. I've never heard of them.
Yeah. Like the first time I see how to use, I watched the video how to use Class Dojo that opened a new world to me. I said, wow, it's very cute. If my students are the kids, they will like them very much.
Yeah. I mean, like, I have one job where I work with 4, 5, and 6-year-olds teaching them how to read. Like, it would be great for that age. Like, they would love it. But just 16, 17, 18-year-olds, not so much. Do you have a class? What do you think you would use?
I think if I teach in the elementary school, I'll use Class Dojo. Yeah, but I'm not sure.
You aren't sure yet?
Yeah. Okay. Done?
Yeah, I think this is good.
Okay. Yeah.